think my main judging criteria is definitely, I mean, of course you first see the beauty of the girl, but I think that once you talk to her and you kind of understand her personality, it's definitely a winner for me, because you meet somebody, you see them first by their face, and then I think I definitely started liking more of the girls because how their personality comes off and how it shows to the people and the judges and the panel, so that's definitely something I look at.